Hey guys, Anthony from Vod RV here in Fort Worth, Texas. I'm here to talk to you about the #1 selling travel trailer since 2005, the Jayco Jay Flight SLX. Let me show you some of the things that make this trailer great. Besides the fact that you've got a 2-year factory warranty on the coach, that gives you nice peace of mind, you got lots of storage. Storage is always important when you buy an RV. Full pass-through storage here, goes all the way through to the other side. Any of those long things you want to take with you, the skis, the fishing poles, they'll all fit right in. Jayco has a 1-key lock system too, so 1 key will unlock everything on the coach. No carrying around that big bulky set of keys. You also have a full power awning. No more cranking the awning out. Just hit a button, it rolls in and out. It's got lights integrated up into the awning, so when you want to sit outside at night, you've got some nice lighting to do that by. It's also got speakers up into the awning as well. So if you want to enjoy some nice music outside, listen to the ball game, you can do all of that. Jayco is also one of the few manufacturers that uses the Goodyear Endurance travel trailer tire. The only American-made travel trailer tire out there. It's got a 6-year warranty on it. It gives you a nice peace of mind. Don't have to worry about those blowouts like you do on some of those other tires. But if you do, fully steel galvanized wheel wells. So you don't have to worry about if you do have a blowout, the trailer damaging the interior of your trailer. It also gives you nice protection against things like pests, rodents, and the such. Let's go inside and take a look around and see what that looks like. Now we're on the inside of this beautiful trailer. With 50 years of RV manufacturing experience, Jayco really knows how to build these things right. The floor we're standing on is a full 5/8 Chunga groove plywood floor. The roof system Jayco uses on all their trailers is a Magnum Truss roof system. 4,500 pounds of capacity is what this roof is tested up to, so there's a tremendous amount of strength in your roof. This trailer is great, the 264, for the whole family. Full-size bunks back here in the back with a 600-pound capacity. All plywood decking under the bunks and a 4-inch mattress. A lot of my competitors out there use a lot smaller mattress, but not on this. It's a full 4-inch mattress. Full bathroom, fully self-contained. Toilet, separate shower, as well as a sink. 3-burner cooktop, not one of the 2-burner cooktops. Got an oven, as well as a microwave. And a 6 cubic foot refrigerator. Again, a lot of the RVs at this price point will go with the smaller refrigerator, not Jayco. Full 6 cubic foot with a separate freezer. Deep double bowl sink with a brushed nickel faucet as well. And if you need to sleep more folks than just here, you've got a bed here and a bed here as well. So you could sleep up to 10 folks in this trailer if you wanted to. Keeping cool in the summer is always important when you're out camping. And with this Jayco, you get a 15,000 BTU fully ducted air conditioning system. All the lights inside and out on this coach are LEDs as well, so that keeps things a lot cooler when you got your lights on. They run a lot longer off that battery too if you happen to be off the grid. You got a sofa here, so plenty of sitting space for everybody. Not everybody crammed around just the dinette. You got a full-size queen bed up here in the front as well. It's a Simmons mattress, so it's a good mattress, not one of those cheap RV style mattresses. Struts under the bed, so if you want extra storage, you got lots of extra storage under the bed. And a full plywood decking under the bed as well. If you're looking for a great trailer for the family, don't look any further than the Jayco Jay Flight 264 SLX. You will not be disappointed.